In this tutorial, I will show you the nice tool that is used to copy a format from one cell to another. I have a table here and the Monday cell has the required format, which I want to transfer to the rest of the row headings. I will mark the cell, and on the Home tab I go to the icon with the brush called Format Painter, which is used for that, and I click on it. Now the copy is ready. I select the target cells I want to reformat, and process is done. Sometimes it's desirable to copy the format multiple times, so I double-click on the brush icon. We will copy the currency format from B2 cell to others. I select B2 cell and double-click on the brush on the Home tab. And now I will select all cells even one by one or all of them at once where I want to copy the format. Finally, I end the copy procedure by Escape key. This is very useful and it also works in Word or PowerPoint application. That's all in this lesson. Thanks for watching, give a like, subscribe, and see you next time.